Erica is happy. Erica is a tax manager at Acme Corporation, a multinational company with subsidiaries in 20 countries on 5 continents. She's in charge of compliance with fiscal laws, including value-added tax, or V.A.T. Erica is being increasingly solicited by colleagues from the business on the subject of electronic invoicing. The head procurement manager has said,
We have met with 15 or so cloud technology vendors who have shown us procurement and order-to-cash solutions that can make us substantial savings. I need your approval to validate that the electronic invoices issued by these tools are tax compliant.
Now the reality is, it's very hard for Erica as a tax manager to check that Acme and its trading partners can be 100% certain that these cloud-based suppliers can conclusively prove to tax auditors in Europe and worldwide that the electronic invoices are authentic and unchanged from date of issue all the way to the 10 years they spend in the archives. After all, there are different rules and interpretations in every country, and they keep on changing. Contrary to what most people in business might think, the importance of V.A.T will keep growing as many governments become more and more dependent on it, but struggle with effective means of collection. As an indication, it is estimated that the loss of earnings of governments because of fraud, lack of understanding, and mistakes around V.A.T is in the range of 500 billion euros per year. Tax administrations have started using E-Invoicing as a way of tightening controls and closing this V.A.T gap. Requirements typically involve country-specific digital signatures, timestamps, secure archiving, and increasingly getting invoices approved in real time by tax administration cloud platforms. As a tax manager, Erica needs to keep abreast of the constant regulation changes in the various countries. Up until now, she has done this by seeking advice from external tax advisors. But now, a new world has opened to Erica. She's found TrustWeaver, a unique vendor that solves the above-mentioned challenges. A cloud-based service that ensures compliance with crucial electronic invoicing requirements. Because TrustWeaver constantly monitors changing requirements and deploys cutting-edge trust technologies to meet them at any time, Erica and her company are now in a much better position to manage compliance risk than they could ever have dreamt of in the past. Now, we're talking levels of transaction evidence that are unparalleled in the paper world. TrustWeaver automates trust and compliance for many of the vendors of business processes in the cloud. TrustWeaver's partners offer a broad variety of business-to-business automation, procurement, spend management, output management, scanning, document workflow, supply chain management, and similar services. Many of the world's largest multinational companies already rely on TrustWeaver services for more than 55 countries. TrustWeaver guarantees the compliant issuing, receiving, and archiving of hundreds of millions of electronic invoices on a yearly basis for more than 55 countries. TrustWeaver hosts its services from highly secure data centers in the Stockholm region. TrustWeaver's multinational team of legal experts is an integral part of the product and service change management processes. If you want to know more about how TrustWeaver can solve all your e-invoice compliance issues, please visit www.trustweaver.com or contact us at business@trustweaver.com.